Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add extra baggage in AirAsia after booking. First, open the AirAsia Move app on your phone or visit the AirAsia Move website on your computer. Now sign into your account and locate your existing flight booking. Then select the flight for which you want to add extra baggage. Next, go to the add-on section of your booking. Here, look for the baggage option and click or tap Modify. You will now see the available baggage allowance options for your flight. Depending on your route, you may be able to upgrade your checked baggage allowance to 50 kilograms or 60 kilograms. Select the baggage allowance that best suits your needs. Take a moment to review the baggage details and pricing before continuing. After that, proceed to the payment page and complete the payment using your preferred payment method. Once the payment is successful, your booking will be updated automatically. Now check your flight itinerary or booking confirmation. You should see your new checked baggage allowance reflected in the booking details. For the best rates and availability, AirAsia recommends purchasing additional baggage through the app or website up to 2 hours before departure. If needed, you can also add baggage at the airport counter or airport sales office, but this is only available at least 4 hours before departure and is subject to availability. Keep in mind that even if you purchase a 50 kilogram or 60 kilogram allowance, no single checked bag can weigh more than 32 kilograms. If your total allowance is higher than 32 kilograms, you'll need to divide it across multiple bags. Also note that the 50 kilogram and 60 kilogram baggage options are only available on selected routes and may not be offered for certain destinations. Once your baggage upgrade appears in your itinerary, you're all set for your trip. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.